Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Little River County in southwestern Arkansas, northern Marion County in northeastern Texas, Cass County in northeastern Texas, Bowie County in northeastern Texas, northern Upshur County in northeastern Texas, Morris County in northeastern Texas, Titus County in northeastern Texas, Camp County in northeastern Texas, southeastern Red River County in northeastern Texas, until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located. Line extending from near Clarksville to near Mount Pleasant to 6 miles southeast of Leesburg, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 11:40 p.m., trees were down across Franklin County. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Texarkana, Mount Pleasant, Atlanta, Wake Village, Ashdown, New Boston, Pittsburgh, Clarksville, Leesburg, Bucks Elder, Nash, Hooks, Dangerfield, Jefferson, Linden, Hughes Springs, DeKalb, Lone Star, Queen City, and Naples. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe